the first thing before anything, you're gonna see this rubber. You're gonna match it up together like this. Then match all the holes. Gotta be really aligned. You see? All the corners gotta be aligned. Entonces, I'm gonna put it back in there to see how I can put my phone so I can record while I'm installing it. I'll take the 3 longest screws, make sure it's aligned. Be really careful. You don't want to lose the screws. First, do it by hand. By the way, we're using a 5mm Allen key. We got 2 screws in. One more. That's the bottom one. I'll put my hands under it in case the screw fall out. There we go. You gotta make sure that the rubber that comes with it is in place. Okay, that was done. We're just gonna tighten it up a little bit because this is the okay. That's it. That is done. It's a simple fix. That one's not done long enough. Let's see. Ya lo tenemos ahí puesto.